HomeTronics Lifestyles is a custom AV company who primarily services the lower Fairfield County. We've been in business since 1978, started as a security company, and in the mid-80s converted over to a high-end audio-video company. Today we are standing in our showroom, which is has KEF, Salamander, and Elan products on display for the customers to see how everything comes together. So HomeTronics has been successful with the showroom. When a client comes in, we try to make them feel like they're in the home. So everything looks like what it would be in a home rather than in a commercial retail store setting. We have water for them, other beverages for them, soda, wine, beer, whatever makes them comfortable. Most of our clients start right in the media room, sit down. We turn on their favorite movie for them, let them listen to the Blades. Then we move them over to the Sony room, over to the Samsung frame room, and then we take them through the simplicity of the total home control. Normally, we find that we're spending about an hour's worth of time with the client here. All of our demos are done by appointment only. So HomeTronics is proud to be able to show the new LS60s, which is the first hi-fi wireless speakers. They're designed with 1,400 watts of total power, 700 watts per cabinet. And they deliver an amazing performance, an amazing sound out of a very, very small, sleek cabinet. So when the client comes into the office, the first thing we do is show them the LS50s and then demo the LS60s. So the LS60s being wireless, they can stream from their phone whatever music they like to listen to. Then when we demo them, we always try to demo using Tidal. But when the client is using the phone, whatever they want to listen to, they can just stream right to the speaker. And then we back up the same music that they were listening to with Tidal so that they can understand the difference between streaming services. And then we bring them over and demo the Blades. And the Blades are a traditional high-end speaker that are powered by 400 watts per channel, going to the Blades with sources such as the Blue Sound Audio, HEOS, and a turntable. When a customer is listening to the speakers, I always see just smiles on their faces and there's hair raising on their arms and their necks, and they just can't believe the sound that's coming out of a wireless set of speakers. So one of the things that HomeTronics always forewarns a client, you listen to them, you'll own them. Whether we're demoing outside audio or demoing two-channel inside audio, once you hear them, you'll want to take them home. So here at our showroom, HomeTronics is displaying 3 different separate rooms. Right now we're standing in the media room, which has a 75-inch 8K Samsung TV with a complete surround sound system provided by KEF speakers. In addition to that, we also have acoustical panels on the wall, which are decorated in different types of fabric. In this area here, we're using the movie theme. In other areas, we're using city themes and ballerina themes. Then we can go into the Sony room, and in the Sony room, we're also have a Salamander chair, Salamander AV cabinet, and we're demoing the Sony Master Series TV, which is just an absolutely phenomenal TV, both audio and video. Then we go into the frame room, and in the frame room, we also have a Salamander furniture, as well as the LX and the LS50s, and the entry level from the basic chair from Salamander Furniture. So in this room, they can sit in the chair that's $1,500, $2,500, or $4,500 per seat. The HomeTronics is showing the Elan G system. The Elan G system is controlling all of the audio, all of the video, the cameras, the thermostats, the lighting, the shades. Everything is controlled from 3 different locations. One being a 12-inch touchscreen in wall, then an 8-inch touchscreen, a remote, and then we also show them how to operate it on a smart device. So this way they know what a whole total control system looks like. Whether we're controlling the security, the lighting, the thermostats, it's all one app rather than app hopping for your thermostats, for your security system, for your cameras. We call it total home control.
So when I meet client, the best part what they feel is when we attached all the electronics, they are just so happy because everything is designed contemporary. So they are very satisfied and able to listen and control with just one button.